Imagine that you can get industry level certifications from Oracle for free. Yes, you heard right. In today's video, I'm sharing an amazing opportunity from Oracle. They are organizing their race to certification program from 1st July to 31st October, where you can learn industry course and get certifications voucher for free. Yes, I'm gonna talk everything about eligibility criteria, who can get the certification. But before that, if you're new to this channel and looking for off-campus placement material, then don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell icon. Previously, I have shared A to Z placement kit where you will get everything related to placement from DSA to resume, cover letter, interview preparation, mock test, everything I have added in this kit. Go check out that video. If you need any particular resource, do let me know in the comment section. So basically, what is RACE certification 2025 by Oracle? So it's a program from 1 July to 31st October, where Oracle is providing certification to the people, where you can learn industry level courses, right? Okay, so let's talk about what are the tech stack, जिस टेक स्टैक आप कर सकते हो, कौन कौन से कोर्सेस है. सो हेयर आर एआई रिलेटेड कोर्सेस लाइक ओसीआई जनरेटिव एआई, ओसीआई एआई फाउंडेशन, ओरेकल एआई वेक्टर सर्च. Then you have Oracle Cloud Infrastructure courses. Then you have multi-cloud related courses. Then you have a data related Oracle Data Platform. So these are industry level courses, or if you have the certification of these courses, it's a very good point, or you can say a very mm, plus point for your job career, because these certification will be helpful in your resume. Recruiter will give value to it. Okay, so for this role, let's check how you can participate, like how you can register. Okay, so you have to visit on this portal and you can just fill out the form. Okay, let's check other start learning now. So once you activate the promotion, you will receive 2 free exam attempts in MyLearn wallet. Identify the learning path certification you want to pursue, kickstart your learning journey and complete the requirement for levels 1 to 3. So it will be a level 1 level wise. So you have to achieve level 1, where you will have a one digital course, one certification exams. You will earn one certification exam attempt valid until 31st October. A race to certification level 1 digital. Okay, then in level 2 you have to complete one more digital course, bring you total course of completion 2, pass another certification exam voucher, and आप ये 31st तक दे सकते हो. ठीक है, लेवल 3 में you have to complete 2 more digital course, bringing you total uh, 4 completion, pass 2 more certification exam, bring you total exam completion 4. You will earn one additional exam attempt voucher for free. Okay, अगेन इससे फायदा क्या होगा? ठीक है, फायदा यही है कि ये इंडस्ट्री लेवल कोर्स है, आपको लर्निंग में बहुत हेल्प मिलेगी, एंड इट विल गेट रिकॉग्नाइज्ड बाय एवरीवन. ओके, 2 exam attempts valid until 31st, एंड टॉप 500 विनर्स डिजिटल अचीवमेंट्स प्रमोशन किट मिलेगा आपको, एंड ओरेकल यू लर्निंग कम्युनिटी टॉप 50 डिजिटल बैच मिलेगा, अ रैंकिंग ऑफ रेस टू सर्टिफिकेशन. तो सर्टिफिकेशन मिलेगा ही मिलेगा. ठीक है, सो जाके अभी रजिस्टर्ड करो, सर्टिफिकेशन आपको मिलेंगे, ये आप अपने रिज्यूमे में ऐड कर सकते हो. ठीक है, कोई भी डाउट हो, कुछ भी हो, डू लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट सेक्शन. ओके, सो और ये रिसोर्स जरूर चेक करना, ए टू जेड प्लेसमेंट किट. अगर ये चाहिए आपको डॉक लिंक, मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन में ऐड कर दूंगा, नहीं तो आप कमेंट करो, आई शेयर विथ यू डायरेक्टली. ओके, I had did a blog on it, but it's not working. Why? I don't know. Don't worry, I'll add it. Okay, go check it out. Thank you for watching the video. Bye bye.